Hi friends, I'm back with all of my advent calendars and we are opening number 4, December 4th today, so let's go ahead and open it. So let's start as usual with Harrods. And number 4 from Harrods. Let's have a look. Oh, it's actually 2 things in here and they are from the same company, RODIAL. One of them is blush drops, liquid blush, and the other one is bronze Glowlighter. These 2 was in. So in number 4 from Harrods, we got these 2. One bronze Glowlighter. See how that is. I like a frosted pink, so this is exciting. Look at this color. Just what I want. So here you have them, both of them. That's a good start. Again, I don't think we have had anything bad in this calendar so far. Number 4 from Tilbury. Beautiful packaging. So this is the Charlotte's Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser. Cream to foam to milk. Includes hyaluronic acid, peptide, and biomimetic complex. 30 ml or 1 fluid ounces. From Cult Beauty, from LANEIGE. So this is a bouncy and firm serum. It will plump, firm and smooth your skin. 15 ml or 0.5 fluid ounces. This one, that looks really nice. Look at that. From LANEIGE, I have mostly tried the lip masks and lip products. Never tried a serum from LANEIGE before. And then number 4 from SpaceNK. Here it is. Oh, wow. We've had something from this company before. We have Medicate. Liquid Peptides Advanced MP. Anti-wrinkle serum. 30% multi-peptide complex with growth factors. Dual mini proteins. 30 ml or 1 fluid ounces. Did you see my video with all the top ingredients that is kind of required for your skin? Peptides is so exciting, and this has 30% actually multi-peptide complex. You know, the peptides will send signals to the cells about what they need. Another great day for the advent calendar, and even one with 2 products. Let me just summarize it all. First, we had 2 products from RODIAL, the blush drops and bronze Glowlighter. And then from Charlotte, we had the Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser. It will be interesting to try. We had the LANEIGE Bouncy and Firm Serum for plump, firm, smooth skin, and also decent size, 15 ml or 0.5 fluid ounces. This one, last but not least, Medicate. So this is Medicate. Medicate is a UK brand, I think, yeah. And this is actually produced in the UK, made in UK. So that's all for today, you guys. But remember, we will have giveaways pretty soon, I think. So please be active on this series, and we will see when we get the first giveaway. It's actually going to be 4 to 5 during the month of December. So remember to subscribe, like this video, and push that notification bell to get to know when I release my videos. And remember, during the weekend we will have breakfast with me. Tomorrow I'm planning on setting up my Christmas tree, so you can join me for that. So then I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. Bye bye.